I am Nichole Sullivan, founder and chief maker at Keppel and Kismet, LLC. We make gifty goods made of wood, so small home decor, jewelry, gifts, primarily using wood, and we do creative products that inspire making at home. And we also facilitate workshops around the town. So making in general is always something that I've done. I actually cannot remember when that started. If I saw a thing that I wanted in my home, whether it be a piece of furniture, a mirror, or even a gift to give someone, I would think, could I make that? So it started as more of a side hustle while I was still in my career. And honestly, I thought it would stay that. It would be a coworker, a friend I've had for years, and someone who I made a gift for, a neighbor of mine, said, you really should make these things for sale. So it came from disparate places, which is really what made me say, wow, if all these different people think what I'm doing could be sold, maybe I need to take this more seriously. I took a laser class as part of Moms as Entrepreneurs, and I said, oh my gosh, what the world is my oyster. What could I do with this? I was enamored with it. OpenWorks was the launch point for all of it. I wasn't even aware of such a thing as digital fabrication. What the laser could do. If I had heard of it, I probably would have been intimidated by it. The class and the fact that I had to take the class as part of Moms as Entrepreneurs was revolutionary. So I can't detach OpenWorks from where my business is today. I believe we were created to create. I think it's a natural way to stabilize yourself mentally and emotionally. I think creating in community is just a way, it's kind of like a balm when you can, but even when you can't, just making with your hands is something that does this thing in our brains that really helps us holistically. By keeping that as part of my business, it's kind of my way to insert a little self-care, whether people see it as that, or not. In 2021, my goal was by the end of 2021, I want to, do some work with local businesses. Let's see if I can find artists who want to create products from their designs that fit within the scope of what I do. Maybe their design right now they put on t-shirts or prints, but perhaps they want to create a keychain or a sign or an ornament or earrings. And so I am now focusing my attention on growing that really as being the chief part of my business. I would love to be able to be a part of generating local revenue here in Baltimore, keeping that manufacturing revenue in Baltimore, and having people, creatives, see their work in a different light.